Good morning, everybody. It's Melissa at Practically Creative. I have received a challenge via text message from Coleen at Coleen Sews and Chats, and she wants me to make 25 videos this week. Well, I've already got 12 up as of about 5 minutes ago since Friday afternoon, so I'm accepting the challenge. I'm going to have 25 up by Friday, because I'm counting from Friday to Friday. And I'm going to show you my goodie box that I just drug in here. Don't know if all of them are going to go up this week, but I am going to work on them. So let's go over to the other camera and I will show you what I've got in the goodie box. Okay, here's my box of stuff I brought in here from the other sewing area. You guys will recognize these. These are the stained glass patterns. I don't know if I'm going to get to them this week, but I would like to do some work on them. I am, of course, going to work out of the Quilt Builder card box again. I've got a couple of blocks that I want to make out of that. I brought a couple of things in here that I got from Sassy Steph in my prize box yesterday. And one of them's the Soluble fabric glue pen. I really want to play with that this week and see if it works. So that's probably going to get used with the Quilt Builder card box. And seam rippers. I always need seam rippers. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And I'm going to put that seam ripper over here right beside my sewing table. Throw away the wrapper because I don't need it. I did get the magnetic seam guide from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out. I'm not throwing away the packaging on that though, because I'm not 100% sure yet that I want to use these permanently on my machines. But I do want to set it right there so I know where it's at. And I'll put the packaging away. I'll put that back in after we get off camera. I've got a couple of things. This is fabric in this bin that I have been using for some of these quilt builder things. So I've just brought that in with me. And then I've got some Lori Holt stuff that is canvas that I got from So Yeah back last year. So I'm going to work on that. And I've got a couple of small projects I want to do actually in my sewing room to rearrange things, make them a little neater. So you may get to see those on camera, but this is where I'm starting at, and we shall see how far I get. So right now my count is 12. I'm going to count this video as 13, and then that means we have 12 more to come, and they can't all be shorts. That was one of the rules that Coleen gave me. So I will talk to you soon. Have a great day, and let's see what comes out of the sewing room this week. Bye, guys.